Have you ever dreamed of having a magical helper to manage your money, predict risks, and make the smartest financial decisions for you? Imagine a world where these helpers aren't just fantasy but real, intelligent machines. Picture a world where you don't have to worry about missing the best investment opportunities or falling victim to fraud because your AI assistant has everything under control. What if you could have a financial advisor that knows your spending habits better than you do and can help you save and invest smarter? What if you could trade stocks in the blink of an eye, faster than any human could ever manage? And what if your bank could spot and stop fraud before you even realize something's wrong? Welcome to the enchanting world of artificial intelligence AI in finance. Here at Money Top Videos, we're diving deep into how AI is revolutionizing the financial landscape. Throughout this video, we'll explore each AI tool in finance. Each tool will be explained in detail, and links to further explore them will be available in the description box below. The Trading Wizard's Algorithmic Trading. Picture a super smart assistant who never sleeps, watching the stock markets day and night. This AI assistant analyzes heaps of data, like past prices and news, to spot patterns and make quick decisions on when to buy or sell stocks. These AI wizards get better over time, helping traders make more money. Software, QuantConnect, MetaTrader, High-Frequency Trading Hub. In the blink of an eye, AI can make thousands of trades. It finds tiny price differences between markets and acts fast, making big profits for trading firms. It's like having a super speedy trader that never takes a break. Software, Sentinels of Security's hooked platform. Jump trading, the fortune tellers of risk credit scoring. Traditional ways of deciding who gets a loan rely on limited info, like your credit history. AI can look at much more, including your online behavior and transaction histories, to give a more accurate picture of your creditworthiness. This means more people can get loans. Online app, Credit Karma, Experian boost fraud detection. AI is like a vigilant guard, always on the lookout for unusual activity in your transactions. It can spot fraud by recognizing even the tiniest signs of trouble, learning and adapting constantly to new tricks. Software, Actimize, SaaS fraud framework. The friendly financial helpers, chatbots and virtual assistants. Imagine having a helpful friend available 24/7 to answer your questions and solve problems instantly. These AI-powered helpers can chat with you anytime, handling routine tasks so human agents can focus on more complex issues. No more waiting for help. Online app, Bank of America's Erica, Ally Bank's Ally Assist. Personalized financial advice. AI can act like your personal financial advisor. It analyzes your spending, income, and investments to offer tailored advice, like how to save more or where to invest. This personalized guidance helps you make better financial decisions. Online app, Wealthfront, Betterment, the guardians of wealth. Robo-Advisors. Robo-Advisors use AI to create and manage investment portfolios just for you. They consider your financial goals and risk tolerance, constantly adjusting to keep your investments on track, often at a lower cost than human advisors. Online app, Wealthfront, Betterment. Predictive analytics. AI can forecast market trends by analyzing past data and current conditions. These predictions help portfolio managers make informed decisions, adjusting investments to maximize returns and minimize risks. Software, Tableau, IBM Watson Analytics. The efficiency. Elixirs process automation. AI automates boring tasks like compliance checks and transaction processing. This speeds up operations, reduces errors, and cuts costs, making financial institutions more efficient. Data analysis. AI can quickly analyze large amounts of data, uncovering insights that guide business strategies. Financial firms use these insights to understand customer behavior, spot market trends, and make smarter decisions. The shields of compliance. RegTech. AI helps financial institutions follow rules by automating the monitoring of transactions for anti-money laundering (AML) and know your customer (KYC) requirements. This keeps institutions safe from penalties and enhances security. Software, Complete Advantage, IdentityMind Global, the Insurers Oracles Risk Assessment. AI improves the accuracy of risk assessments in insurance by analyzing a wide range of data, from medical records to social media activity. This helps insurers create policies tailored to individual risk profiles. Claim processing. AI speeds up the claims process by automating initial assessments and verifying claims data. This leads to faster settlements and happier customers. The Wealth Wizards. Personalized investment strategies. Wealth managers use AI tools to offer customized investment advice based on your unique financial situation and goals. AI monitors and adjusts these strategies as needed, ensuring they stay aligned with your objectives. Behavioral finance insights. AI analyzes behavioral data to understand investor psychology, helping wealth managers offer better advice and manage client expectations effectively. The profits of finance. Economic predictions. AI models predict economic trends by analyzing indicators and events. These forecasts help businesses and investors make informed decisions about where to allocate resources and how to manage risks. Sales and revenue forecasting. AI helps companies predict sales and revenue by analyzing historical data and market conditions. Accurate forecasts enable businesses to optimize inventory, pricing, and marketing strategies. The Sentinels of Security Anti-Money Laundering (AML). AI enhances AML efforts by identifying patterns in transaction data that suggest money laundering. It flags suspicious activities for further investigation, improving the efficiency of AML programs. Cybersecurity. AI detects and responds to cybersecurity threats in real time, protecting financial institutions from breaches. These systems recognize unusual activity and take preventive measures to keep data safe. A new era of financial magic. As we step into this new era of financial magic, AI is transforming how we trade, assess risks, serve customers, manage portfolios, and ensure security. It's like having a team of tireless, super intelligent helpers working around the clock to make the financial world smarter, safer, and more efficient. The journey of AI in finance has only just begun, promising a future filled with even more amazing innovations. Now that we've explored the incredible impact of AI in finance, imagine how these tools can enhance your own investments. In a previous video, I broke down the different types of stock market investors. Click on the screen right now to watch that. I'll see you in the next video.